selamat datang kembali di sergiogetfit. Di kesempatan kali ini saya ingin melakukan tutorial bagaimana cara melakukan dips. Dips adalah gerakan favorit saya juga untuk membentuk otot dada maupun tricep. Jadi dips ini adalah gerakan yang luar biasa. Nah, namun untuk melakukan dips ini kalian tidak bisa langsung melakukan begitu saja, karena ada step by step yang harus kalian lakukan. Dan di sini saya akan membahasnya. Jadi tetap ikuti video ini sampai habis.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad, I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you want, shining like it's neon, rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Yeah, shoot, shoot. Yeah, shoot, shoot. Yeah, shooting, shooting. Yeah, shooting shots.
Terima kasih kalian sudah menonton videonya. Jika videonya bermanfaat, jangan lupa klik tombol like dan share ke teman-teman kalian yang mungkin membutuhkan video ini. Dan buat kalian yang belum subscribe, klik tombol subscribe-nya sekarang juga agar kalian tidak ketinggalan video-video menarik lainnya. Dan sampai ketemu lagi di video-video berikutnya. Keep healthy and stay strong.